How to merge two cards on Trello. So let's get started. First step, what you need to do is add power up. So click on these three dots, go power ups, and search Sandboard. It's basically email for Trello. Click on add, and then click add again. Okay. Just agree to the terms. Authorize Sandboard. Now we're gonna authorize this. Go all the way down, click allow, and click quick start. Set up my account. It took me like maybe 30 seconds to set up my account. And then click on X. You can close these. The next step is open your card. Under power ups, you will see Sandboard. Click on it. And you should see here merge card. If you don't see it, edit power up settings. Go to your account. Then scroll down. And here click on change plan. As you can see, merge Trello cards option is under essential program, so you need to subscribe to this plan and then you can use it. But if you want some free option how to do it, I can show you. So let's go. It's not exactly merging two cards, it's basically like linking two cards. So what you need to do is click on attachment. Here you will search your another card, job for Lara, click on it, and then click on connect card. Relate both cards. And now if we click on job for Martin, we can see job for Lara. And if you click on job for Lara, we can see job for Martin. So this is how can you basically link two cards. It's not really merging two cards, but if you want to merge, just simply subscribe to this essential program or plan and you can do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel.